Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to apply for a Venmo credit card. Open the website, then click Login. Then log in with your email, mobile, or username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for Venmo credit card on the left side menu. Under Venmo credit card, you will see a blue text that says Learn More. Click on Learn More. Then you will see some information and reminders in applying for a Venmo credit card. To proceed, click on the Apply Now button. You will then be asked to pick the color of the card that you want. After picking the color that you wanted, click on Next. Now enter all the required information. On the first and second field, enter your first name and last name. On the third field, enter the email you are currently using. Then enter your address, date of birth, last 4 digits of your social security number and your annual income. After entering all the required information, click on the Agree and Continue button. Read all of the Venmo credit card terms and conditions. After reading and if everything looks good, click on the Agree and Apply button. That's how you apply for a Venmo credit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.